Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Howdy. The best internet resources about how to keep a dog from skipping weave poles. These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about how to keep a dog from skipping weave poles is www.huffingtonpost.com. Specifically the page titled How to Eliminate Migraines and Headaches in Less Than a. Here's the link. You can also try en.wikipedia.org, especially the page Dog Agility, Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site www.k9korallsrq.com. The web page K9 Coral Dog Obedience Training Florida, Dog Training. Here's the link.